Concrete ever get away from you? Hot day, start to lose it?
No? Looks like you better get some DAY1.
Put some DAY1 on it. The colloidal silicates inside this product not only bring it back to life, but make for an actual better finish and stronger concrete. For only a nickel a square foot, wouldn't you invest in it? Save yourself from losing a slab? Give it a second chance at life? Saving yourself from coming back tomorrow and ripping it out and doing it again? This product available at any local McCann.